I found this burlap canvas at Hobby Lobby, and this is what it looked like prior. This one's just a little bit larger, and I painted it and allowed it to dry. And I found this little bunny ears with the little cotton ball for $4.99 with 40% off, also at Hobby Lobby. And I'm taking a little X-Acto knife and making a small incision in my canvas and putting the long pole that the ears are attached to through this incision to deal with the long pole that the ears are attached to. Then I took a piece of cardboard and put it in the back to hold down the pole that went through the back. Now I found this Happy Easter Y'all little sign, and it had a little picture frame stand on the back. It was $5.99 with 40% off. So I just detached the stand off the back of the sign so it would be more like a picture. And this is how I'm going to attach it using some E6000. And then I just took a little bit of a hot glue and placed it on the back just to hold it in place while my E6000 dried. My glue looks white because I was gluing fabric, and fabric glue is white, so it just is mixed in with my Gorilla Glue. Just like that. So I found this little basket. I think I found it at one of the dollar stores, and I also am putting some E6000 and then a little bit of glue from my hot glue gun just to help it stay in place till the E6000 dried. I took some of these dollar store eggs and some dollar store Spanish moss and put the eggs in the basket. So now you have this cute little hanging sign. I hope you enjoyed this video. Go check us out on YouTube. And for any paint, brushes, or transfers, chalkitupfancy.com. Happy Easter to everyone. We love you guys, and we thank you so much for all your support. Thanks for watching.